Once upon a time, in the bright and beautiful world of Grammarland, there was a huge kingdom called Noun Kingdom. This kingdom was special. Everything here had a name. Every mountain, river, bird, feeling, object, and person had a noun attached to it. At the center of the kingdom stood a tall, shining palace where the ruler of all nouns lived, the wise and kind King Noun. But King Noun didn't rule alone. He had 7 magical friends, and each friend had a special power. One sunny morning, the king invited all 7 friends to the royal court. Proper noun, Princess Priya. A soft golden light filled the hall as Princess Priya entered. Her dress sparkled with special names like London, Nile River, Albert, Eiffel Tower. King Noun smiled and said, "Princess Priya, you take care of all the special names. Without you, nothing would have a unique identity." Priya bowed gracefully. "Yes, my king, special names make everything unique and important." She carried a magical book where every proper noun glowed brightly. Common noun, Mr. Commoner. Next came Mr. Commoner, a simple man wearing a plain brown coat. He said cheerfully, "I may look simple, but I am everywhere." Words like boy, city, river, teacher, they all belong to me. Princess Priya smiled. "Without you, my special names wouldn't have categories." Mr. Commoner laughed, making the entire hall shake. Collective noun, Captain Crowd. A loud whistle echoed as Captain Crowd marched in with a whole group behind him. Team, group, army, flow, bunch, everyone fall in line. Groups formed instantly and stood neatly. The king chuckled. "You always bring everyone together." Captain Crowd saluted. "Where there is a group, there I am." Abstract noun, fairy feeling. The hall suddenly became peaceful as a soft, glowing mist floated inside. It was fairy feeling, a magical fairy made of pure light. Her gentle voice echoed, "I bring love, courage, honesty, anger, and all other feelings. You cannot see me, but you can feel me." Captain Crowd whispered, "She's magical and mysterious." Everyone nodded with respect. Material noun, Mr. Material. The doors swung open, and Mr. Material entered with a cart full of materials. Gold, water, wood, cotton, iron, everything you need to make things, he said proudly. Princess Priya nodded. "You help build the entire world." Mr. Material replied, "Yes. Without me, there would be no houses, no toys, no tools." Countable noun, master counting. A little boy hopped into the hall, carrying a big bag of numbers. 1 apple, 2 chairs, 3 people. "If it can be counted, it belongs to me," he said excitedly. The king laughed. "Master counting, you are very useful." The little boy nodded proudly. Uncountable noun, Miss Infinity. Soft, graceful footsteps approached. Miss Infinity, Master Counting's elder sister, entered holding a bowl of milk, rice, flour, and sugar. She smiled gently and said, "These things cannot be counted one by one. They are unlimited, and they belong to me." Master Counting giggled. "She always brings things in plenty." The great problem in Noun Kingdom. That day, King Noun called for an important reason. "My friends," he said seriously, "a grand festival is coming, but the harmony of the kingdom is breaking." Everyone gasped. Princess Priya asked, "What happened, my king?" The king replied,
"People are mixing up the nouns. They use ordinary names instead of special names. They confuse groups with single items. They count things that should not be counted." Mr. Commoner sighed. "That's true. Someone called a bunch of grapes just grape yesterday." Fairy Feeling added, And children are forgetting words like kindness and bravery. Captain Crowd blew his whistle. We must fix this. The journey begins, King Noun said. You must all travel across Grammarland and teach people how to use nouns correctly. The 7 friends agreed and set out on a grand journey. Scene 1. The confused village. A little boy said, I saw a river yesterday. Princess Priya smiled. River is a common noun, but Amazon River is a proper noun. The boy understood immediately. Scene 2. The field of animals. A shepherd looked confused. I saw many sheep, but I don't know what to call them together. Captain Crowd stepped forward. Call them a herd of sheep. That's my special power. The shepherd happily learned the new word. Scene 3. The kitchen. A girl tried counting rice. 1 rice, 2 rice, 3 rice. Miss Infinity laughed softly. Rice cannot be counted like that. It is uncountable. Master Counting added, but apples and oranges can be counted. The girl finally understood. Scene 4. The Heart Garden. Fairy feeling floated around, creating peace. A child asked, I can't see kindness. Is it real? Fairy feeling smiled. You can't see feelings, but they are the strongest magic in the world. The Grand Festival. After helping people everywhere, the 7 friends returned to Noun Kingdom. The Grand Festival began. Princess Priya brought all the special guests. Mr. Commoner brought ordinary villagers. Captain Crowd organized big groups. Fairy feelings spread love and joy. Mr. Material decorated the palace beautifully. Master Counting counted gifts and guests. Miss Infinity served unlimited food. King Noun finally said, language becomes magical when all types of nouns work together. Fireworks lit up the sky and the kingdom celebrated all night long. Moral of the story, every type of noun is important. Together, they create a complete and meaningful world.
If you enjoyed our story, please like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, like and subscribe for more fun.